So hello guys, today we are going to discuss an article on ecosystem restoration. So ecosystem restoration इसके next line पे you are going to write your name, that is by dash and your surname, or if you don't want to use your surname you can leave it. So let us start this article. Ecosystem restoration. I will also teach you how to present the article in a good manner so that your article's impression, the words should attract the listener. So let us start. Ecosystem restoration. Don't be greedy, it's time to be greeny. Our environment is one of the most important aspects to survive on this planet. Moreover, it is the only thing that can make life sustainable. Without it, we cannot survive even a single day. For instance, our skin will burn, the lungs will get ruptured, our blood pressure would rise. Furthermore, we will not have food and water to survive. This is all just because of our reckless exploitation towards environment. This day as World Environment Day is being declared on 5th June every year. It is being run by the United Nations Environmental Program, that is UNEP. So I have read the first paragraph and I have underlined the World Environment Day and its date, and it is run by the organization it is being run. So you can leave it marking as if you are writing on ecosystem restoration only, and if you are writing this article on environmental day, so the heading of ecosystem restoration will change into environmental day or any further heading you wanted to choose, and you are not going to mark World Environment Day and 5th June. ठीक है, and you will just change the line and you will write that is why World Environment Day is an initiative that is taken to protect our environment. ठीक है, and the important points you have to speak it very harsh, that is मतलब very loudly. So like, furthermore we will not have food and water to survive. Now, next paragraph. They say my parents were killed by something called development. Let us say that why do we celebrate Environmental Day? What is the need behind it? Why is it so important? It is spreading awareness. Why? There are a lot of questions. So, students, you have noticed that I have I have mentioned these rhyming quotes. I have mentioned these quotes related to environment degradation. Okay. So this is the perfect way to represent an article and it will be great. It is a great format. If you are participating in an article writing competition, so and you are writing the format in this way, then it will attract the audience and the judges, and you are surely going to win an prize. So try to mention these quotes related to your topic before introduction and after introduction, and before second paragraph and after second paragraph, and at the end of the article. Okay, so first paragraph, as we all know, the first paragraph is of introduction, second one is of causes and effects of your topic, and the third paragraph is going to be always of conclusion, the solution to that problem which you have discussed in second paragraph. Okay, so let us move on to second paragraph. Now there's a lot questions which just have one single answer, and it satisfied all the questions. It is that this step generates awareness among the people or individuals who have different opinions from one another. Some of them knows the importance of environment and some not. The main threat to our environment is pollution and global warming, which are interconnected to each other. Both of them are the cause of one another. Pollution is further divided into three: air pollution, land pollution, and water pollution, because of which may hazardous consequences arises. Last to last year, that is in 2019, it is being hosted in China. But due to COVID-19 pandemic, now it is being celebrated online by students and citizens of the world. Just because of this pollution, people are not able to breathe properly. Moreover, diseases like lung cancer is affecting even the minors, which has become a major threat. So, students, you are going to use the words, familiar words only in your article. Don't try to use unfamiliar words to make the article attracting. Don't make that mistake. Only use the words whose meaning you know. Okay. and and if you are talking about environmental degradation, then the causes of environmental degradation are two or three only: pollution, global warming, climate change. Only three. So try, these are the common causes, so try to discuss these causes in detail, and if you know some different cause, then also mention it. Okay, so now let us come on the last paragraph, that is, it is our duty to save environmental beauty. So, students, one more important point, the bullet point, if you are mentioning quotes in your article to make it attractive, so the first and the very last quote of your article should be very attractive, should be mind blowing, amazing. Okay, what's the reason behind that? I'll tell you. Because if someone is reading your article, so he is not going to read the whole article. As if, say, if you are participating in a competition, so the judges who are going to announce the winners, they are not going to read the whole article. They are just going to see the bullet points, like the quotes are the bullet points, plus point of your article, you can say. And you're underlining the lines or words which are very important, that will second plus point. And your arranging manner of the article should not be in a whole paragraph. It should be divided into sub paragraphs, that is 3 paragraphs. You can adjust the length according to you of these 3 paras. And remember, the first paragraph is always going to be of introduction, second should be of causes and effects, and third one should be of conclusion. You can add on some more things in second paragraph, but third one is always going to be of conclusion, and first one is always going to be of introduction. You can make changes in second paragraph. Okay, so now, the conclusion to this is that we must not do something by which our environment gets polluted, directly or indirectly. Even China has established various air purifiers to save ecosystem, and China also had efficiently done the green building project in order to decrease pollution level and increase fresh air level in air by growing extensive greenery in the country. Some of the mandatory measures were also taken, such as population reduction, banning plastic, afforestation, etc. Okay, so in third paragraph, you are going to mention about the conclusion solutions to the problem, but you can also mention the examples of the countries which have ensured to take steps in order to protect the environment. Like I have taken of China. Okay, so you can take many more examples. So students, this is the very best technique that I have taught you to write an article. It will always be an attractive. Your article will always be mind blowing and going to be great. So listen to every bullet point that I have taught you in detail. Okay. So students, bye. All the best.